Good morning, and yes, we have another car that we are gonna work on. We have our Hyundai Starex scheduled today, so maybe once we're already done, we can start working on this Toyota BB. uh, it has misfires and some issues, fuel smelling inside. Shout out Prince Cars, thank you for trusting us. We are done with your Civic, and now we have another work from you. Thank you guys. Prince Chan, shout out. Papi. Okay na. So this engine coolant temperature sensor is broken. Wala nang misfire. Engine is running good. So, dahil lang dito, ito ang salarin. Kaya siya nag-misfire. Next is, dadali natin siya kay Sias Electrical for the windows. Moving on to accessories. We are more on engine, paint, and bodywork. Problem solved. We're all good, Prince Cars. Test drive. Hopefully, wala nang misfire. With ang nagdadrive po now is si Raywire. The Nissan Micra is still here. Pero okay naman na siya. I think may problema na lang to sa transmission, and we're gonna change the oil. We're just waiting for the RJ. So yun na lang ang magiging ano natin, kasi medyo may problema pa siya sa transmission. Ginamit siya ni Ray. Shout out RJ Brady. Your car is safe here. Don't worry, nandito siya sa bahay. Ganda naman, Prince Chan. Inggit ako, naka-sunroof. Yun sa akin, hindi. Oh. Hindi naka-sunroof yun sa akin. Anong hatol?
Okay naman. Pobreno ako dyan. Hindi naman namamalya.
Okay. So, Sias na next nyan para sa mga bintana at speakers. Approved. So, what we did in this Toyota BB is basically we cleaned the DVTi solenoid and replaced the engine coolant temperature sensor. Now it's working fine. We're on our way to CS Electrical Shop to have the speakers and the power windows working, and hopefully Badong can finish it within the day.
Okay lang kahit ano, basta bumubukas yung dalawang bintana sa harap, yung likod, tsaka na. So, kailangan palitan, main switch lang. Buti na pag-ano mo pa yan. Check mo lang, baka gumana pa, para at least. Oo. Sige, balikan kita.
Okay. So we cleaned the VVTi. We replaced the engine coolant temperature sensor. Idling is good. You can hear. We fixed the car stereo, and the windows are all working now. So this one's already ready for pickup. G-Spot Racing Team approved. Pwede ka na kunin. Thanks for watching.